Yeah. This ain't the first mayor that said he was gonna clean up this city. And he won't be the last. How much you wanna bet this scumbag don't make it 2 weeks? Oh, shit, Fred! Get him off! Oh, fuck! Get him off! They're on my back! They're on my back!
Fast, painless, and instantly effective. Call Brighter Days today for an even better tomorrow.
Newly elected Mayor Max Starling is set to address the media any moment now for a press conference.
Yes, is there any idea what that might be about?
Well, with the laundry list of problems the city faces on the daily, it's anyone's game.
You know, I would agree. He did run a fantastic campaign based around bringing immediate change to the city.
Well, here's his chance to put his money where his mouth is.
Thank you. Good evening. I've arranged this press conference after thorough deliberation with our city council and various other agencies to address a great and insidious threat to the sanctity of our beloved city. That is our rat infestation.
Fuck those rats.
As you know, the rats have plagued the city for too long, spreading disease, terrorizing homes, destroying power grids and other infrastructure, bringing many of our essential workers to their brink. So, I have created a specialized committee with our city's animal control. Our team has been hard at work on the ground. We have gathered the city's overflow of stray cats. And we will release them, hungry, into the streets to combat this problem at its source.
It's fucking brilliant. So hot.
Thank you.
How can it be you and me? Might be meant to be, can't unsee it, but I don't wanna cause no scene. I'm usually so unproblematic, so independent. Tell me why? 'Cause that boy is mine. Something about him is made for somebody like me. Baby, come over, come over. God knows I'm trying, but there's just no use in denying. That boy is mine. I can't wait to try him. Let this get intertwined. The stars, they align. That boy is mine. Watch me take my time. I can't believe my mind. That boy is divine. Please know this ain't what I planned for. Probably wouldn't bet a dime on my life, but there's gotta be a reason why my girls, they always come through in a sticky situation. Say it's fine. Happens all the time. Something about him is made for somebody like me. Baby, come over, come over. God knows I'm trying, but there's just no use in denying. That boy is. That boy is mine. I can't wait to try him. Let this get into
You have some now. It's your turn.
Yeah.
Mary loves this.
Girl, she's so into it.
I've never seen a cat eat ice cream.
Wow. Now we know.
Sweet purr.
Delicious. Dairy free. Good girl.
Yeah!
Islam